Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to count unique items in pivot table. So let's start this in my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to first create pivot table. To create pivot table, simply select the data. You just drag with the mouse and select here the entire data. And the second tip is simply select the one cell inside the data and you can use here the shortcut key Control A to select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, click on the Pivot table and click on the From table or range option. And here you can see the Pivot table, From table or range. This dialog box is open. Select the table or range and here you can see that range is automatically selected. Then choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. Then click on the new worksheet and click on the OK. That's it. Here you can see the new worksheet is added with the pivot table fields the right hand side with the pivot table analyze tab and design tab. So here I'm going to add the fields in the below area to create pivot table. So simply drag the fields and add here in the rows. And here I drag the total price in values area. And that's it. Your pivot table is ready. Now I want here the unique items counts only. Okay. So here, just click on this total price. Just click on this arrow and click on the view field settings. In view field settings, when you see the unique item count is not available. Okay. So for that, I just cancel this. Okay. And again, I show you, I just delete these sheets. Okay. Delete this pivot. Again, I select the entire data. Again, go to the insert, click on the pivot, click on the from table or range. Same as range selected, then click on the new worksheet. And here you can see the one option is available. Add this data to the data model. Just click on this option and click on OK and that's it. Same as you can create here the pivot table. So I just add here the same total price in values. Okay, then product in rows. If you want to add in filter something, you can add here also. Okay. Now I just click on the sum of total price, just arrow, click on it and click on the value field setting. And here the value field setting is dialog box open. Now let's just drag below this summarize value field by distinct counts. Okay. So this is the option distinct count. Count the unique item in pivot table. So simply select it and click on OK. That's it. Here you can see the count of unique item is added. Okay. So distinct count of total price is added. So this is the way you can count the unique item in pivot table. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.